Ever thought about maximizing your bucks without minimizing the fun? Today, we're diving deep into frugal living tips that'll pave your way to financial freedom. If you're new here, hit that like and subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Let's get started. 1. Budgeting is your best friend. Understanding your finances is the first step. A budget isn't just about restrictions, it's about making your money work for you. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. They categorize your spending, helping you see where you can cut back. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. 2. Quality over quantity. Ever bought a cheap shirt that faded after one wash? Investing in quality might mean spending a bit more upfront, but it pays off. Think long-term. Quality items often come with warranties or guarantees, saving you replacement costs. 3. Cook at home. Eating out is convenient, but it's costly. Cooking at home can be fun, healthier, and way cheaper. Start with simple recipes. Batch cook and freeze meals for days you don't feel like cooking. And hey, impressing dates with a home-cooked meal? Priceless. 4. DIY. Whenever possible. Before hiring someone or buying new, ask yourself, can I do this myself? There are tutorials for almost everything online. Whether it's basic home repairs, grooming, or even making gifts, DIY can be both fulfilling and cost-effective. 5. Use public transport. Cars are convenient but come with hidden costs: insurance, maintenance, parking, and fuel. Public transport, cycling, or carpooling can drastically reduce these expenses. Plus, it's a small step towards a greener planet. 6. Shop secondhand. Brands are tempting, but often you're just paying for the name. Thrift stores or online marketplaces offer quality items at a fraction of the cost. It's eco-friendly, and you get unique items that aren't off the typical retail rack. 7. Limit subscriptions. Subscriptions can silently drain your account. Make a list. Do you really watch all those streaming services? Can you swap your gym membership for home workouts or outdoor activities? Regularly review and trim your subscriptions. 8. Automate savings. Pay yourself first. Before bills or expenses, set aside a portion of your income. Automate this so you're not tempted to skip a month. Over time, thanks to compound interest, you'll see significant growth. 9. Limit luxuries. It's not about cutting out joys, but finding cost-effective alternatives. Love coffee? Invest in a good coffee maker instead of daily cafe trips. Enjoy reading? Use libraries or book swapping groups. Find joy in the simpler, cheaper alternatives. 10. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is empowering. Understand basic concepts: interest rates, investments, and savings. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. There are tons of free resources online to get started. That wraps up today's deep dive into frugal living without compromising the fun. If this added value to your life, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share the wisdom with your buddies. We're here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, bringing you actionable insights. So don't miss out. And hey, what's your top money-saving hack? Drop it in the comments. Let's get a treasure trove of tips going.